Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning, afternoon, or good evening to you. This is another Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now I'm bringing you just 1 minute, but you get yourself 30 minutes for free. Completely one-to-one, discuss how you want to change your life. Come over to ldlcall.com, book your slot, and we can have that chat. But first, here's your quote for today. Whatever's good for your soul, do that. Whatever is good for you, why don't we do enough of it? Life is there to be enjoyed, so why do so many people continually try and block their own happiness? Try a new approach to appreciate what you have and just how you are as a person. No one's perfect, but you can work on your imperfections. But why not just enjoy yourself along the way?
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.